Why are there not more people talking about cryptocurrency?
Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money. It exists only on computers. Think of it like an online version of cash. You can use it to buy things, but it's not controlled by banks or governments.
Cryptocurrency is different from regular online money. It uses special codes to keep transactions safe. This is called cryptography. It's like a secret language only computers understand.
Because cryptocurrency is decentralized, no single entity controls it. Imagine a network of computers all holding pieces of information about the currency. This makes it very secure.
Cryptocurrency uses a technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain like a digital ledger. It keeps track of every transaction made with the cryptocurrency.
Every time someone makes a transaction, it's like adding a new block to the chain. Each block is linked to the one before it, creating a permanent record.
This chain is stored on many computers around the world. This makes it very difficult for anyone to change or hack the system.
There are many different cryptocurrencies. The most popular one is called Bitcoin. It was the first cryptocurrency and is still the most well-known.
Ethereum is another popular cryptocurrency. It's like a platform where developers can build other applications using blockchain technology.
Litecoin is another example of a cryptocurrency. It aims to be faster and cheaper to use than Bitcoin.
People use cryptocurrency for many things. You can buy goods and services online. Some people invest in cryptocurrency, hoping its value will increase.
You can also use cryptocurrency to send money to people in other countries. This is often faster and cheaper than traditional methods.
It's important to be careful when using cryptocurrency. Keep your digital wallet safe and be aware of the risks involved.
To learn more about cryptocurrency, subscribe to our channel and stay updated with our latest content.